Moving on now to the last segment, Janata's Take. We now are shifting our focus to a growing health concern. So as the number of COVID cases across India inched towards the 5,000 mark, the government has swung into action. A nationwide mock drill is being conducted to check preparedness at hospitals. This is to ensure that essential medical supplies, including oxygen and medicines, are available if the need arises. Currently, 564 fresh cases have been reported in the last 24 hours, taking the number of active cases in the country to 4,866. 7 people have lost their lives in the last 24 hours. 5 of them were elderly citizens with pre-existing health conditions, while one was a 5-month-old baby with respiratory issues. The latest deaths have been reported from Maharashtra, with 3 fatalities and 2 each from Delhi and Karnataka. Kerala continues to report the maximum number of active cases. Maharashtra, meanwhile, has a growing concern, particularly from the Pune city. Now, the latest COVID variants have been detected across all the 10 sewage treatment plants across Pune city since May. CSIR, which did the wastewater surveillance there, said that this is similar to what happened before previous surges. As per health authorities, latest COVID resurgence is due to variants that include LF7, XFG, JN1 and the recently identified NB181 subvariant. Is the country prepared for this COVID resurgence? And is it time to take more precautions? We took this question across to the Janata. Listen in.
I think the cases are found, but we don't know how intensive it is as compared to the previous to 2020 and 2021. So as of now, many deaths are not reported, and most of the people that are getting admitted, maybe they are discharged in a few days' time. So I don't think so the impact is very deadly as of now. We need to be cautious, but we need not panic now.
I don't think it's right to panic generally. This is a growth economy. We've seen last quarter we posted 7.6% growth. India should definitely not be panicking. We should obviously take healthcare and hygiene precautions. Doctors and scientists have more clearer pictures as to what works against these viruses. We've developed a vaccine for one iteration of it. So the type of knowledge we have about it and the death rates we've seen in elderly have dropped.
पहले से वो चीज़ की प्रिकॉशंस लेनी चाहिए, डिस्टेंस को मेंटेन करना चाहिए, मास्क लगाना चाहिए, और भी जो चीज़ें हैं सब पहले से प्रिकॉशंस लेना चाहिए. और सेकेंडली रही गवर्नमेंट की बात, तो गवर्नमेंट अपने हिसाब से जो कर सकता है वो तो करेगा ही, जाहिर सी बात है.
I think now we have experienced this for not just one time, but we have had 3 waves. We have faced our difficulties, and we have, I think, successfully come across. So, by and large, we should all take care and go back to whatever we were doing earlier. Keep social distancing and have your vegetables wherever you don't need to be right now. Don't go out and don't go into crowded places. Same things, please enforce them diligently.
It's a right time to take the precaution because see, the number of COVID cases are increasing day by day, and many deaths are reporting in our nation. So it's the right time to take. When the first COVID cases reported at 2020, at this time we have taken many of the measures using masks and giving, the government is giving proper guidelines to the people. So they are aware of it. Nowadays, they are just seeing in mobile phones or news that the COVID cases is increasing. They are just read it and leaving.
In Kerala, and people like or not just attend graduate education, and the people, the old age people, they are not aware of all those things. And we, the youth people, can help them for making awareness. And in colleges, schools, like we youth people, giving them some awareness programs or classes and to make them aware. In past times, they were aware, but they think that they can also overcome in this time also. That is the main issue.
इसमें इस वक्त अवेयरनेस की ज़रूरत है बहुत. गवर्नमेंट का एक फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि वो उस हिसाब से इस चीज़ को लेंगे ताकि जो एक डर लोगों में पैदा होता था एकदम, वो डर नहीं होना चाहिए. और लोगों को भी थोड़ा सा इसमें खुद आगे आना चाहिए, अवेयर होना चाहिए कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, किस हिसाब से चलना है, किस हिसाब का माहौल है. खासकर देखिए, बुजुर्ग भी हमारे पास, बीमार भी हमारे पास, बच्चे भी हैं, उनको भी समझाना है. स्कूलों में अवेयरनेस होनी चाहिए ताकि जो स्थिति 2020 और 2021 से बन गई थी वो वो नहीं बननी चाहिए।
मास्क वगैरह डाल के रखिए। जो बाहर से फॉरेन से जो गेस्ट यात्रु आ रहे हैं, जो भी है हमारे भारत में पाँव रख रहे हैं, इधर आ रहे हैं, तो उनको थोड़ा सा टेस्टिंग वगैरह जरूरी है। उनकी टेस्टिंग प्रॉपर तरीके से ही टेस्टिंग कीजिए। कहीं की कॉलेज में कहीं बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, छोटे बच्चे हैं, कोविड की बचाने की जरूरत है, वहाँ भी थोड़ी तैयारी होना चाहिए। हॉस्पिटलों को, डॉक्टरों को अपेरन होना चाहिए थोड़ा, तो आम लोगों को भी थोड़ा ध्यान रखना चाहिए।
सर, जिस हिसाब से देश भर में पूरे कोविड के केस बढ़ रहे हैं, हमारे यहाँ पे भी सरकार को ये चाहिए कि प्रॉपर तरीके से टेस्टिंग वगैरह शुरू की जाए। जगह जगह छोटे छोटे प्रोग्राम किए जाएं, जिससे लोग अवेयर हों कि पहले वाली ऐसी सिचुएशन ना बनी जाए कि जिसके बाद हमें लॉकडाउन यहाँ पे करना पड़े। तो इसलिए हम सरकार से यही दरख्वास्त करते हैं कि वो जगह जगह टेस्टिंग वगैरह की जाए।
With that